The first thing that comes to our mind when we think of Google is a platform where you can search for anything you might think of and get reliable and useful results. But what if I tell you that there are ways to make money on Google? This strategy is for everyone so long as you have a laptop and internet connection, then this is for you. As usual, I will be dropping some exclusive tips that will help you make the most out of this strategy, so make sure to watch the video till the end to learn everything you need. Without any further ado, let's get into it. I want you to go to Skillshop, which is a platform owned by Google. This is the place for those who want to succeed with Google professional tools and solutions. You can learn at your own pace and get a Google product certification. Isn't that cool? If you scroll down, you can find some of the online product training and certifications that you can obtain. And guess what? It's 100% free. You can learn about Google Ads, Google AdMob, Waze, etc. Just choose the one you're more interested in. I will pick Google Ads in our example. Double-click it and you will be taken to the course page where you can find everything you need to know about this course. Once you complete it, you will get a certificate, which we are going to use in the next step, and the knowledge you will gain is extremely valuable, especially if you are planning to start a business online one day. You can see the time you need to complete each one of the modules, ratings, and the level of difficulty. Anyways, once you choose one, just double-click it. You will be taken to the course page. After you complete the course, you will become a Google certified expert in whichever module you went for. But how can we make money using this strategy? Now I want you to go to peopleperhour.com. This is a platform to help you find the best freelancers to deliver your projects. Obviously, we are here to make money, so we will indeed be working as freelancers. The best part about this platform, if we compare it to Fiverr or other service marketplaces, is the fact that here, you can find people who are offering to pay you for a certain job. Whereas on the other platforms, you will need to create a gig and wait for the customer to come to you. And it rarely happens organically if you have a brand new account. So this is why we are using People Per Hour in particular. But how much money could you make? You can click on Search and then select Search Projects. From here, you can look for a job that matches the course you have previously taken. Let's try Google Ads, for instance. You can see that there are plenty of offers here. You can sort them by experience or price. And there are more than 400 jobs available at the moment. This is quite a popular space. And you can see that you can make some good money as customers are paying hundreds and thousands of dollars for people to help them in an area you're already familiar with. So make sure to create your account now and begin applying for these jobs. Once you build a good reputation on People Per Hour, you will be able to make money passively, as you can hire someone to take care of the tasks on your behalf. So you can focus on one of the other strategies of making money online that we share on this channel. And that's all for today. Make sure to check out the other strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.